Creased up, back door, cold breath. Streets quiet, feels like a test. Been trying not to stick my neck out. Easier to stay on the couch, talk myself down. Every plan I make an effort. I find a way to twist the lever. Tell myself you can always put it off. So I run till the noise in my head gets tired. Run, kick dust on the doubts that I quiet. Every time I make an excuse, I'm just tightening my own noose. Not today, I'm done with that script. Period, I'm breathing deep and I mean it. Mailbox, lamppost, same room. Heart pounding all the fear out. Little voice says you could turn back now, but the sunrise paints a different vow. I used to make an effort halfway, then trip on every old heartbreak. Let tomorrow take the heavy load, then curse the weight in the morning glow. So I run till the noise in my head gets tired. Run, kick dust on the doubts that I quiet. Every time I make an excuse, I'm just tightening my own noose. Not today, I'm done with that script. Buried in deep and deep, and I mean it. Maybe healing's just 100 tiny tries. Stick your neck out to your own tired mind. Say we're not gonna put this off again. Chase that promise round the bend. Oh yeah. So I run till the noise in my head gets tired. Run, kick dust on the doubts that I quiet. Every time I make an excuse, I'm just tightening my own noose. Now today I'm done with that script.